Think your dog's guilty face means they feel bad? Nope, that look is just an Oscar-worthy performance. In this video, we're exposing 10 so-called dog facts you've been getting wrong your entire life. Starting with a very popular one. Number 10. Some breeds are naturally vicious or always easy. Think pit bulls are naturally mean and golden retrievers are always perfect angels. That's just not how dogs work. A dog's behavior depends on training, socialization, and personality, not their breed alone. Sure, some breeds have tendencies, but a Chihuahua can be just as aggressive as a Rottweiler if raised poorly. Your dog isn't born a villain or a saint, they're shaped by how you raise them. If you want a well-behaved pup, start with early socialization. Expose them to people, sounds, and other animals in a calm way. Train with positive reinforcement. Treats, praise, and patience go further than punishment. If your dog shows aggression or fear, work with a trainer instead of assuming it's just the breed. And if you're picking a new dog, focus on energy level and temperament instead of stereotypes. But even if you get training right, the next thing might be affecting your dog in a way you didn't expect. Number 9. All high-quality kibble is equal. Just because a dog food is pricey doesn't mean it's the best choice for your pup. Not all high-quality kibble works for every dog. Some are loaded with fillers, while others lack key nutrients. What's good for one pup may upset another's stomach. Age, breed, allergies, and activity level all play a role in choosing the right food. If your dog has itchy skin, try grain-free or fish-based food with omega-3s, like salmon kibble. For sensitive stomachs, limited ingredient diets with novel proteins, like duck or venison, can help. Puppies need high-protein food with DHA, while seniors do better with lower-calorie, joint-supporting formulas. Always check the ingredient list. Avoid artificial preservatives, mystery meat meals, and excessive carbs. And when in doubt, consult your vet before making a switch. Feeding them the right food is crucial, but the next thing is even more important. Number 8. Dog breath is normal and unavoidable. Did you know that nasty dog breath isn't normal? It's actually a sign of hidden health problems. Funky breath can mean gum disease, tooth decay, or digestive issues. If your pup's mouth smells like a dumpster, bacteria are probably partying in there. Left untreated, dental disease can lead to infections and even heart issues. To keep your dog's breath fresh, brush their teeth daily with dog-friendly toothpaste. Never use human toothpaste. Dental chews with enzymes can help, but they don't replace brushing. Water additives and coconut oil also fight bad breath. If the stench is extreme, a vet visit is a must. Sometimes bad breath means something serious, like kidney problems. And don't forget regular dental cleanings to keep those pearly whites healthy. But even if your pup's breath smells fine, there's another everyday need you might not be thinking about. Number 7. Dogs only need physical exercise, not mental challenges. Wonder why your dog still acts crazy even after a long walk? It's because they need to exercise their brain, not just their legs. Physical activity is important, but dogs also need mental stimulation. Without it, they get bored, anxious, and even destructive. A tired dog isn't just one that ran for an hour, it's one that used their brain too. To challenge your pup, add puzzle toys, snuffle mats, or hide-and-seek games to their routine. Switch up walking routes to introduce new scents. Teach new tricks, even if they already know the basics. Scent work is great. Hide treats around the house and let them sniff them out. And don't forget interactive playtime. Tug-of-war or agility training keeps their mind sharp while strengthening your bond. Number 6. They'll grow out of behavior issues with age. Thinking a puppy will grow out of bad behavior is like thinking a toddler will just stop throwing tantrums one day. It doesn't work that way. Bad habits don't magically disappear with age. Jumping, excessive barking, or separation anxiety can get worse if ignored. Dogs repeat what works, so if your pup gets attention for bad behavior, they'll keep doing it. Start training early and be consistent. If your dog jumps, reward calm behavior instead of pushing them down. For barking, teach a quiet command and reward them when they obey. Crate training helps with separation anxiety, and short departures build confidence. If bad habits persist, work with a trainer instead of waiting for things to fix themselves. The sooner you address issues, the easier they are to correct. Number 5. Older dogs don't enjoy or benefit from training anymore. If you think an old dog can't learn new tricks, you've been seriously underestimating them. Dogs of any age can and should keep learning. Training isn't just about obedience. It keeps their minds sharp and strengthens your bond. Even senior dogs can pick up new cues or refine old ones with patience and positive reinforcement. A mentally engaged dog stays happier and healthier for longer. Try teaching simple, low-impact tricks like touch, spin, or find it to keep them thinking. Use softer treats or even spoonfuls of peanut butter for motivation if their teeth are sensitive. Short 5-minute sessions work best for older pups. For mobility-challenged dogs, scent-based games and puzzle feeders give their brains a workout without strain. If they struggle, adjust commands to be easier. Training should be fun, not frustrating. But keeping their mind active isn't the only way to show love. Number 4. Letting them eat whatever they want shows love. Your dog doesn't need an all-you-can-eat buffet to know you love them. Too many treats and table scraps can do more harm than good. Obesity, digestive problems, and even poisoning can result from overfeeding or giving the wrong foods. Some human favorites, like chocolate, grapes, onions, and xylitol, are deadly to dogs. If you want to treat your pup, opt for healthy snacks like blueberries, carrots, or plain cooked chicken. Use frozen green beans for a crunchy, low-calorie reward. If they beg at the table, distract them with a stuffed Kong instead of sharing your dinner. Love isn't about extra food. It's about giving them a long, healthy life. But even if their diet is perfect, if you skip the next thing, it can undo all that good care. Number 3. Yearly vet visits are optional. If the dog seems healthy, would you wait until your car broke down before getting an oil change? Then, why do it with your dog? Dogs are experts at hiding pain and illness. Just because they seem fine doesn't mean they are. Yearly checkups catch silent problems like dental disease, kidney issues, and arthritis before they become serious. Your vet can spot weight changes, listen for heart murmurs, and check for hidden infections. Blood work can reveal early signs of organ trouble. Even if nothing's wrong, regular visits help your vet track your dog's baseline health. Prevention is always cheaper and safer than treatment. And speaking of older dogs, there's another myth that could be robbing them of happiness. Number 2. Senior dogs don't need mental stimulation. Did you know that keeping a senior dog's brain active can actually slow down cognitive decline? Older dogs may nap more, but that doesn't mean they don't need engagement. Without mental stimulation, they can become anxious, depressed, or even forgetful. Keeping their minds busy helps maintain their cognitive function and overall well-being. Gentle training sessions, scent-based games, and interactive toys are great ways to keep their brain working. Hide treats around the house for a fun scavenger hunt. Rotate their toys so they don't get bored. Even a short daily obedience refresher can make a difference. A happy, stimulated dog stays sharper for longer. But what about that guilty face they make when they do something wrong? Let's settle that once and for all. Number 1. Dogs feel guilty if they look sorry. That guilty look your dog gives you? It's not an apology, it's just really good acting. Dogs don't feel guilt the way humans do. When they look sorry, they're just reacting to your tone and body language. They've learned that looking sad makes you less angry. It's an appeasement signal, not an admission of guilt. Instead of scolding, focus on preventing bad behavior in the first place. Catch them in the act and redirect them to something positive. If they chew furniture, provide durable chew toys like a Benebone or a frozen Kong. If they potty inside, adjust their schedule or reinforce training. Your dog isn't confessing, they're just trying to avoid trouble. Now you know the truth about these common dog myths, which means you can be a smarter, better dog owner. But what if I told you there are mistakes even good dog owners make? Mistakes that could put their pups at risk. So, watch our next video to learn more about 15 dangerous but common mistakes dog owners make. Missing it could mean unknowingly putting your furry best friend in danger. And trust me, you won't want that to happen ever.